Hi there, students. Glare, flare, blare, snare, and stare. Okay, the answer is glare. Glare is something that shines but unpleasantly brightly, an unpleasantly bright light. So the sun glares in your eyes. Yeah. You put on your sunglasses to reduce the glare. To glare can also be to give somebody a long angry look as well. My wife glared at me when I said the wrong thing. Okay, flare. To flare means to burn brightly as well, but flare has the idea of for a short time or irregularly. So, for example, there are solar flares on the sun when it burns really brightly in one small area at a time, but you can't see that with your eyes. And the glare from the sun, the bright shine, comes from just the ordinary burning of the sun. Yeah, so to flare. Notice violence could also flare up. Anger flared up. It suddenly starts and gets much worse. To blare is nothing to do with light. To blare means to make an unpleasantly loud noise. So the alarm was blaring. The car horns were blaring. The radio was blaring out music. And then to stare. To stare is to look for a long time. Yeah, especially when you're surprised or you're frightened. Yeah, he stared in fear at the snake. Yeah, I stared at the salesman when he told me the price. Don't stare, it's rude. And then a snare is a trap to catch small animals. And we use the verb to snare, meaning to catch. So the salesman managed to snare some new clients. Yeah. Normally you snare, there's some sort of trick to it as well. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Glare, flare, blare, stare, snare.